I'm always afraid of getting hurt. What is it, just a trust thing? You just... I don't trust anybody. Yeah, and I think that's the reason why I'm so close to my mom, because she's like, you talk to her every day? Well, I'm not a parent, so I don't.
By no means a negative thing. I think it really shows how close she is to her family, which is really important to me. I coworkers. I'm looking forward to like coaching
Maisie.
the soccer game.
Yeah. Family man, you know, all the things.
Maisie.
I think how True Colors came out.
Oh, good job, baby. Good job. Good job.
Wait, there's more.
I had the best time
Go
with
get it.
because I felt like we really
Let mama see your face.
After the
Let mama see your face.
realizing that she was the one that
No, covered in rice pudding. Oh, Maisie, here.
I was apprehensive for my compatibility date with Jason
She's being too
because I
cute.
had felt so insecure on the first date. I don't know if I could have a real relationship with Jason, but I'm going into this date to find out. I brought an artistic activity.
Okay.
So I have a basket, there are rolls of wire, and you can shape the wire, make a flower, because art is a great way to express emotion and feeling.
Okay.
And I feel none of us have been able to crack your shell. Like, do you really just feel so confident you don't need a girl, you just want a girl because she's hot? Or do you really think you have some parts of life that would be nice to have a partner?
I do definitely have this feeling like I'm missing out on life. There's a void that I have, and I need to share things with people, and I don't feel like I am because I really feel like I'm on my own for the most part. Opening up to Melanie, I felt really satisfied that need that I had of